Hey, what's up guys, it's your Catcher and welcome back to yet another video. Today we'll be reviewing the speakers that I've been using for the past 2 months now, and it is the EDIFIER R1580DB speakers. So I've been using this speaker for the past 2 months now. I got this for 7,750 pesos or $160 online, including shipping. And I'm using it mostly for video editing and listening to music. Inside the box, you will get the speakers itself, covered with some kind of black cloth. The manuals, a 1.7 long 3.5mm jack to RCA cable, another 1.7 long RCA to RCA cable, a 5-meter cable to connect the left and right speakers, a 1.5-meter fiber optic cable, and a remote. The included remote is the RC20G. It is powered with a single CR2025 battery. It has a power on button, mute button, volume up and down button for each input, and playback buttons. I'm just wondering why they placed 2 buttons each for the volume up and volume down. Also take note that the playback buttons only work when you are in Bluetooth mode. The speakers look amazing with this sleek design. It rocks a black glossy finish. It looks very elegant, but it is a fingerprint magnet. Good thing they added a microfiber cloth to address this issue. Here you can see the 19mm silk dome tweeter rated at 16 watts and the 116mm or 4-inch subs rated at 19 watts each. On the right speaker, you can see the sensor for the remote that has an LED light that indicates what input you are using or what mode you are on. Also, you can switch inputs by just pressing the power button on the back side of the right speaker. It features a 10-degree angle design that is perfect for desktop setups, so you won't be needing any of those speaker stands to angle the speakers towards your face. It also includes a front-facing bass ports that tends to produce a higher quality sound than those who have the bass ports on the back side of the speakers. Take note that it can pump quite a bit of air when you're using it at high volumes. That might distract other people, but you can always use the included grill so you can dampen the air that is being released by the speakers. It also comes with volume, bass, and treble knobs at the back. I don't adjust it all the time, but I wish that the EQ knobs is placed in the side like the R1280, so it will be easier if ever I change my mind about my settings on the EQ. But overall, it's okay. It comes with 5 different inputs: PC, auxiliary, optical, coaxial, and Bluetooth. However, you cannot use multiple inputs at the same time. You can only use one at a time. Also, if you don't need that much input, you can go for its little brother, the EDIFIER R1850D, that has only PC and auxiliary inputs, so you can save a little bit of money. Well, I'm not a professional sound guy, but I can say that the speaker has superb quality. It has a very good amount of highs and a very punchy bass. Like I said earlier, I have been using this for video editing and listening to music, and I cannot be happier with my purchase. This part I will give you a sound quality test, but take note that this will not be the same quality because it still depends on what device or what speakers or what headphones you are using to watch this video, so I cannot give you an accurate sound quality test, but here's how it sounds. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Leave a like if you want and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!